Alright people, you'll excuse my look. I just showered, I have no makeup on, I don't care. It's Thursday, 8 p.m. and as I said, I'm gonna use this channel to record my journey. And this time I'm taking it differently, I'm taking it easy. I don't want to force things, but still I need to have some kind of discipline and not let loose and just like wait for opportunities to come to me. I need to kind of like push myself to do it, right? I was feeling a bit low on energy today. I was feeling a bit sad. It's been 3 weeks only since I had to say goodbye to my dog, so you know, I will still have those days where I'm low in energy, but I need to push, but being clever and intelligent on the levels of energy I can spend to it, right? Because I don't want to get burned out and stop posting these videos again. What I'm gonna do now is designing my 2026 calendar. As I said a few times, I have ADHD, so I keep forgetting everything, dates, birthdays, events, and I do everything last minute, not because I don't like planning, but because I don't realize that things happen until it's that day or the previous day. I do feel I need some kind of organization and plan. What I want to do is creating this cute calendar that goes with the vibe of my room, something that's cute but will also help me with my daily tasks. And tomorrow we will go print it. I don't want to spend too much on these things. This is not important. I'm just doing it, 1, for the content, 2, for practice, and 3, because it's something that I actually need. I would have had to buy one anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna make my own. Yeah, we doing it. No, I just wanted to show you my outfit. I'm going to the pool, and this dress, which I love, I didn't even buy it. Someone passed it on me. I can't remember if it was my cousin or a friend of mine. I can't remember, but I love this dress and it's very old. Like probably it has 10 years. United Colors of Benetton. It's cute, right? And I love this because it's perfect for the bikinis, right? And the bikini, wait. Woohoo, striptease. Okay, the bikini is from Calcedonia. That's how I call it in Spanish. I actually bought 2 bikinis. It's the same shade, but different colors and different patterns. It was on sale, both this one and the other one. The best bikini purchase that I've made. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this. I'm not gonna show you that. The bottom part. That's too much already. Before I go, I want to not only show the good part, I want to share the lows as well. My boyfriend and I broke up. It was an 8 years long relationship. We ended up on beautiful terms. We both knew it for long. We were just staying together, maybe out of love to break the other person's heart. And, you know, just an advice from experience. The one and only that you need to make sure to not disappoint is yourself. That's the learning I get from there. And we both got out of the relationship in the best way someone can ask. Stories with me, ADHD, you know, we will jump from one topic to the other one, but it all will make sense towards the end. You just need to, you know, just listen till the end. So, I forgot. Oh my God, what I was saying. The boyfriend. Today, I just decided to put myself first in a situationship I had with this guy. It was going too fast at the beginning, then it slowed to a point that even it was too low for me. When my ex and I broke up, I made a huge long list of things that I want in my man and a list of things that I don't want and I'm not gonna allow. Right? So this situationship had some of these things that I didn't want it in my next relationship. But still, it felt like I didn't learn from my previous, experiences. So I kept going until yesterday I made up my mind and I decided I'm no longer gonna see this person because I'm gonna choose myself. So this morning I've been till 12 p.m. in the bed. I didn't want to get up. I was just like, because even though I knew I took the decision, then you start questioning and kind of regret saying I don't want to see you anymore because you know, like your body's like maybe panicking. I was like, oh, I don't want to be in that situation again, right? But I got up, I washed my face, I played some music, and I'm like, girl, not this time. I'm gonna go to the pool, I'm gonna tan a bit, I'm gonna swim for a bit, I'll come, I'll shower. I'm gonna show you later what I'm designing right now. It's so cute. And I might even print some of this and give it to my friends. Let's see the cost though. And then at night, I don't know, maybe I will meet some of my friends. I'll do something fun today. I'm gonna live my life. That's why I was playing that song, to cheer me up. I'm gonna stop talking. Not that I love it, but I think this is how journaling should feel like video journaling, right? So that's what I'm doing. One thing about me, I'm extremely healthy, but out of passion. I'm a freak of healthy stuff. I love it. I enjoy it. Makes me feel good. Thank God that this is my vice, right? And not alcohol or something else. Morning hydration. Half a liter of water. This is apple cider vinegar with the mother. That's how they call it. A splash of it. And then half a lemon. I hate the seeds, so what I do is I first squeeze it in another glass and then I use the strainer. And now the most important part, Celtic salt. I don't use regular salt. This one, it keeps the minerals and the moist that salt should have. So pinch of it and cheers. This is my breaky. It's almost 3 p.m. Today I ate a bit later because I wanted to prolong the fast. Eggs, sourdough bread, avocado, parmigiano, cucumber, and then dates with butter and nuts. As I promised, I would share with you some of the projects that I'm working on. I'm not gonna dive deep into the process because probably this is something that's not of your interest, so I'm not gonna go that deep. But I do want to show you the projects I'm working on. And this weekend, I worked on a calendar just for the house. It's a 2026 calendar. I decided instead of buying one, I would create my own. I'm gonna show you. This is the calendar. It's half English, half Arabic, just because I live in the UAE. The idea behind this was to make it look like a game card with the number and the hearts here. Then I made this 2026. I left some space here for writing down notes, and then there's like a quote, a different quote every month of the year. And yeah, that's the result. Now I'm gonna rush to the printer because it's almost 6. It's Sunday. I think they close at 8. Yeah, I hope I can print it today. Let's go. I think I should have brought a jacket because January in Dubai, I mean, it's not cold compared to Europe, but still it's a bit chilly. But yeah, should be home soon. When I get home. But the guy from there, his name is Adlin. He was so nice. He let me record the process. Alright, so I am actually happy with the result. Even though I went with the cheapest option for the paper, I still like it. It cost me 50 dirhams, which is like 12 something euros. And yeah, I'm happy with it. For today, this is all I'm gonna show you. Next week's video, I will do like a couple things more to it to make it look more elevated and elegant. I'm gonna use like a couple tools that I have to round the edges, and then I'm just gonna add like 2 holes here and a cute ribbon so I can hang it on the wall. I'm really happy with the result. Let me know in the comments what do you think, and obviously I couldn't miss my Instagram handle. So yeah, that's it for this week's video. Yeah, I am sitting on the floor. Please ignore that, it's fine. We all do this, right? So yeah, this is done. Sunday, it's almost over. I'm gonna prep some food for the week ahead, and yeah, that's it. That's all for this week. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you. Ciao.